Hello everyone, I am Pragadish, currently working in Winfomi as a Salesforce consultant. Today I am going to walk you through about the Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud, why it is important and what it is, and how it helps the manufacturing companies to manage their sales and forecasting.
What is Manufacturing Cloud? Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud is purpose-built CRM solution that address the unique needs of the manufacturing companies, especially those operating with a long-term customer relationship and the companies which using the recurring orders regularly and for the complex partner ecosystem. So it is like it's more industry focused. Unlike the traditional CRM which focus on the lead and opportunity, Manufacturing Cloud introduced the industry specific objects like sales agreement, advanced forecasting, account forecasting and all, and the workflows designed to help the manufacturers to manage their run rate business and align with the sales operation and drive the predictable revenue. And the major focus is like bridging the gap between the sales and operations. In most manufacturing companies, the sales team makes the promises and operation delivers on them. But while these functions not working properly, it lead to the miscommunications like overproductions or stock outs. This also lead to the missing revenue targets. So here we'll see the key challenges. As I said earlier, it's like a disconnect between the sales and operation team and also finance team. Initially they will commit what are the parts to be delivered to the distributors, but in the end they are not in the operation team, they don't have the much quantity to deliver. So these were the miscommunication gap is happening in Salesforce. This can be hopefully sorted, and here the key challenges, how the Salesforce helps to overcome those challenges like disconnect and sales operation team, connect the front office and the back office for the real-time collaborations, and also the challenges facing poor visibilities into the customer agreement and history. So in Salesforce, we have the sales agreement features which tracks the ongoing business and the past purchase and the commitments which they have done for the distributors. So it also the companies facing the inaccurate demand forecast. For that, in Salesforce, we can able to combine the historical data and AI creates the more accurate sales forecast. And difficulty adapting to the market changes. Here, Salesforce helps the real-time insights help quickly to respond to the customer and the market shifts. So who can use the manufacturing cloud? Original equipment manufacturers, OEMs they called, production suppliers, distributions or aftermarket manufacturers, process manufacturers, oil and gas producers, companies that manage the run rate, ongoing and long-term businesses. And the companies want to drive the greater partner engagement. These all the people can use the manufacturing cloud to make their business efficient. So here, these are the core features which Salesforce has, like sales agreement, account-based forecasting, revenue management, rebate management, and also the manufacturing analytics, which uses the Einstein AI to predict all the things like that, and account manager targets, inventory information management. These are the core features which Salesforce has. So coming to the permission sets which used to assign for the users in the manufacturing cloud, like we have a lot of permission sets, but these are the major things which we are using, like manufacturing sales agreement, account-based forecast, account manager targets, manufacturing actual integration, and manufacturing analytic user. Analytic is nothing but to use the Einstein analytics. So coming to the core feature, the sales agreement, this is one of the most powerful feature in manufacturing cloud is the sales agreement object, which essentially replaces the traditional opportunity object in the run rate business scenarios. For example, if a customer regularly purchases the 500 units of a part every month, the sales agreement can capture their recurring commitment. It acts like a contract between the manufacturer and the customer. So it has the more detailed on the product qualities, pricing, scheduling, and what are the expectations the customer has. So this system that tracks the performance against their agreement, showing you how much the customer has actually purchased so far and what is left, and whether they are on the track or behind. All the data can be tracked under one object that is called sales agreement. And the historical and forward looking views enable both the sales and operation to collaborate between the planned production for more efficiency. So here I can able to see, this is an account called Milton. Under that we can able to see the sales agreement. So here you can able to see the actual quantity, present group, and planned cost amount. These all can be viewed under an account. I can able to show the demo here. So this is an Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud is a demo org. So under this Milton under this account. So here these are the details of that account, and if you go to the sales tab, under this you can click on this in one sales agreement. So here you can able to see the sales agreement, what are the products they have added for this, and here the planned quantity, what is the actual quantity to delivering them, and the planned amount, and we can able to see the full view here. So how many months we want to deliver the product to them, all the things can be seen in one view. Like, here I'm going to deliver this for this company only for the 5 months, so that's why here showing in 5 months. This can be edited here. The schedule count, how many schedule count will be there, that can be seen here. Actually, it's not a detailed demo, I'm just showing the thing here. That's just the thing. And second thing is like account-based forecasting. So in manufacturing, the demand planning is critical. So, but it's hard to forecast the actual when the customer buying, the patterns vary. But the customers may vary for every month now. So that's why the account-based forecasting comes into the picture. So the feature helps the manufacturers create more accurate forecast at account level, not just the product or the region level, the account level itself. So it enables you to build the forecast based on the historical data like active sales agreements and even the custom input from the account teams. These forecasts are collaborative. Sales, operations and finance teams can also input and review them. So it ensures that your planning align with the what specific customer or customers are expected to order in the future also. This can be forecasted. The forecast can be broken down by the periods, monthly, quarterly, annually. This can be done in providing the granular controller. And you can include the metrics like product volume, revenue, quantity, or even the custom units specific to your business. Forecasting data is displayed in dynamic dashboard, helping you to monitor the real-time changes and make adjustments. Because it is natively built in Salesforce, this feature ensures that forecasts are aligned with the CRM data, and the user can override forecast when needed. For example, if a customer hints at a drop or spike in orders, we can also have the versioning control. So different forecast versions can be created and compared over time. So teams can align on targets and track the performance against the forecast and adjust the supply chain or the production accordingly. So ultimately it helps to improve the predictability, reduce inventory cost and boost the customer satisfaction. So let's break into an example. Let's say for a manufacturing company, client is paint suppliers you're distributing to them. Last year particular company ordered 10,000 units per quarter for your premium rollers, could say. You also signed the sales agreement with them to increase that 12,000 units per quarter this year. So with account forecasting, your sales manager logs into Salesforce and reviewing the past data for the new agreement. Based on that, the forecast will be 12,000 units per quarter for that company over the next 4 quarters. So however, the sales rep knows that the new project starting in quarter 3, this likely need to be 15,000 units then. Just the Q3 forecast to 15,000 units using the override feature and adds a comment to justify the change, why they are changing to that number of units. And operations now knows to scale up the production and logistics in Q3, especially for that company. So it is more likely to forecast for the next year or next quarter. So the operation team will be aligned with the thing, and leadership used to see these forecasts in dashboard like a planned revenue and inventory more confidently. This is how the account based forecasting transforms guesswork into data driven strategy. So here you can able to see, right, this is actual metrics and forecast quantities, all revenue metrics. This can be seen under this same account view itself. So under this account you can able to see all the forecast here, all revenue, this revenue for next quarters. You can able to add products also if you wanted for the next quarter or this quarter, whatever quarter the customers needs. This helps helps to align in all the things. So next is the rebate management. In the manufacturing industry, rebates are the common way to incentives the dealers and distributors to sell more products to them right now. Managing rebate manually using a spreadsheet or emails can lead to the error and delay in missed payouts. So that's where the Salesforce come into picture, where this feature solves the problem with the centralized automation solutions. It allows you to design the rebate programs based on the product quantity, revenue time frame, or the customer segments. So each rebate management can include the multiple tiers or conditions. For example, 5% for 10,000 units or 10% for 20,000 units. So it depends on the customer demand. So as sales orders flows in, Salesforce track Salesforce track the progress of each account towards these targets in real time. Sales team can see how close a customer is qualifying for rebate and use that data to drive the upsells, right? So rebate amounts are calculated automatically and reducing the error and freeing up the finance teams for the manual work. We can also schedule the payout window, track the approvals and sync data with ERP for actual reimbursements. So the system also maintains a complete audit trail, so there is no confusions or conflict later with the customer. The rebate performance can be monitored through dashboard and reports also, giving the strategic insights. So this feature is especially useful during the promotions or any seasonal spikes or for the high volume customers. These rebate will be more helpful to calculate the discount percentage for them, and it promotes a trust and transparency between the manufacturers and the distributors. Overall helps us to drive the higher sales volume, boost and improve the operation efficiency. So let's see an example, the last example which we took for the paint rollers. You are launching a rebate program for them, the top distributor, let's say Promax Tools. The distributors plan to buy 10,000 units for this quarter and get 2% back. Okay, buy over 15,000 will get 5% back. Okay, so Promax orders 8,000 units in January and 4,000 in February and 5,000 in March. Okay, so Salesforce tracked this automatically to show the Promax reached 17,000 units, qualifying them for the 5% rebate. The system calculates the total rebates values and send it to the finance team for the approval. The finance market has approved, then Promax company notified through their account portal, once paid. So it can be seen in the report as well for the leadership team or any other person who want to see how much rebate they had got and all. The sales rep also get notified, helping their reinforce a strong relationship with customer. So here there is no Excel sheet needed or any confusion, just to clear them how the real time rebate visibility had. So this is an overall thing how rebate program works, and this is a UI in Salesforce where you can able to see the name, what is the start date, all the things can be automatically captured here. So next is an account manager target. So this is one of the other feature in Salesforce. It does not just include the forecast account level, it also enables a target setting for your sales team. With account manager targets, you can assign clear sales goals to the individual or individual sales or account managers. These targets can be captured on revenue, quality sold, number of orders, or even the custom KPIs your company uses, and this helps to create the accountability and ensure each manager know what is expected for them. Okay, it's also a great tool for performance tracking. You can compare actual targets in the real time. Manager can view the dashboard, how much they have achieved, which accounts they are driving the performance, what is the falling behind. These can be captured under one dashboard also. The target can be monthly, quarterly or yearly basis. That depends on the manager or the region or any account type or the product. We can able to specify for all the products or each products you want or account type or any under the region. These can all be seen under in one dashboard based on the account manager performance. And it's also encourage the data driven conversation in reviews and check-ins. There is no guesswork, all can be data driven only. Target can be tied directly to the customer based forecast, like sales agreement, offering a 360-degree performance view. Leadership can use roll-up reports to see who is performing well, identifying the trends and make the strategic decisions to improve the productions and things. This leads to more motivated teams and clear goal alignment. And Salesforce also allows the target adjustments in mid-period also. Priority shift or a market condition change, they can also change the target to the members in this thing. For example, if a new product is launched, you can update the Q3 targets for selected managers instantly. And the best part is it all within the Salesforce, fully connected to the customers, opportunity and forecast data. So let's see a good example for that. So imagine you are the sales director, same the any production rollers company, previous example which we seen. We have a 3 region account managers. For Q2 you can assign the following revenue targets. First, north region is 50 lakhs and south region is 40 lakhs and east region is 35 lakhs. These targets are set directly in Salesforce under the account manager targets. Okay, so as each account manager close deals or renew the agreement, the Salesforce update their progress bars automatically. The mid quarter, the north manager has achieved 30 lakhs, south 25 and east 20. We can instantly see which region is on track, which one might need support or new strategies to follow. You can also notice that the east has a major distributions not performing well, so shift focus change accordingly. The managers themselves can view their targets in the dashboard filtered by the account, product or any time specific you want. That also can be done in Salesforce. During your monthly review meeting, you can use a Salesforce dashboard to drive the discussion, like which region performed well, which is not, what focus need to be given for them. There is a manual report needed for them. And these results a more productive meeting, a data-backed decision, and a strong push towards the target achievement. So this is the major thing which is used in Salesforce for the account manager targets. So coming to the warranty lifecycle management, it's like an end-to-end warranty visibility. In manufacturing industry, selling the product is just the beginning. After the sales experience is also important for them. One key part of this managing product warranties, which can often be complex and disconnected. Warranty lifecycle management in Salesforce bring everything related to the warranty in one system, from product registration, claim creation, approval, and resolutions. The full process is automated on. You can define the warranty terms like 1 year, 2 year, whatever, what are the parts you are selling, what are the product you are selling to the distributors. When a product is sold and registered, Salesforce captured that automatically. If a customer report an issue within the warranty period, the claim can be raised directly in Salesforce. The service also can view the claims, how many claims they have given, check the eligibility, whether they are coming within a year or 2 years, or expires that product warranties. Either we can able to approve or reject based on that data. You can also attach the photo, any receipts, any notes which we have given, any service logs which we have done for that product, all stored in one place. This save time, avoid the errors, and keep both the customers and internal teams updated in the real time. Okay, it also integrates with the other features like asset tracking, service appointments, and customer history. With the dashboard, you can monitor most common product issues, claim turnaround time, or cost of the warranty service. This helps reduce the warranty fraud, optimize optimize the warranty terms, improve the product quality. So this all be very well be done within that to improve the product. This all data can be helpful to improve that particular product, whether the product has more issues or any more claims on coming for that particular product. Most importantly, it builds a trust between your dealers and the customers, because you are responding faster and accurate to the customers, right? And for, let's say example, any industry company sells an industry cutting tool, 2-year warranty period, motor failure. A customer register their purchase online and the product warranty is automatically created in Salesforce. Okay, it will be automatically created once that purchase is done. After 14 months, the tool stops working, the customer raises a warranty claim via support portal. The service rep can be check the Salesforce and shows the product is still under the warranty. This logs a service appointment and assign the technician all within Salesforce. The technician inspect the tool and upload the reports with their notes or any photos which captured in the customer place. This can be approved once. Then the motor can be replaced at the no cost to the customer. It will be so helpful for the customer. And Salesforce mark them as a claim as resolved. So update the assert record which we are using for the under this, adds the data to the product issue log. This helps the company to recurring issue and take the proactive steps for the future designs. So everything start to finish handled in one platform. It's like a more fast and accurate for the under the customer friendly manner to use. So here you can able to see for the warranty team how much warranty they have, what is the price book for that amount, what is the product on that. Everything can be seen in one place. Here you can able to see the claims already have been submitted and the payment details all can be seen in one place. So coming to the manufacturing analytics, it is a powerful feature to track all the account performance, any product demand or order fulfillment, or revenue trends we can able to see. With the help of the AI, we can able to help the sales and operation teams to align with their deadlines, and so how much we have planned, what is the actual quantity, whether the supply and demand is in the right way. This all thing we seen in analytics reports itself. I can show you a sample here. So for under that account, you can able to see, like what is an how much the rebate management has, how much they have purchased, any sales agreement for them, and what is the revenue for them. All the things can be seen in one place. See what is the performance with incentives, all sales, how many years they have within Salesforce, or how long they are customers. Everything can be seen here, and sales plan alignment can able to see for all the months how much they have purchased. These will be useful features for to see and project the revenue for the company. So general, here's a success story and use case. I have took only one use case here, but we have multiple use case which using the manufacturing cloud. I have taken only one. Here's a reference link you can able to see. The Kawasaki, which is the warranty process followed in Salesforce. It makes the improved dealer relationship using Salesforce. Any disconnect between any disconnected system caused any delays in handling dealer claims. With Salesforce now manage the customer, product and service data all in one place. This can lead to faster decision, better service and strong trust with the partners. These are the major features in Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud, which are designed to empower the manufacturers with the smarter planning, better forecasting and strong customer engagements. So thanks.